That cost me £1,500. So there's definitely more to there. As you can see, this is pretty wet, and right there you can actually see there's still a bit of water there. Yeah, still got it, and this side is even worse. And yeah, soaking wet. So these OLED lights, I've had them on for almost 2 years now, and they've caused me about £1,500 worth of damage, because there was a leak from the inner sides. So it was on both sides, it was leaking water, and it went into my Harman Kardon amplifier, which is located just by here at the bottom of the boot. That was just flooded. It basically blew the amplifier, and we couldn't even get a brand new one from BMW because they've got a shortage on them. So I had to get this one rebuilt. Otherwise it's a waiting list. Like, I think he was saying like 7 months is the earliest you could get one. Found on a company that would rebuild my one. Is you send it to them. If it's not too bad, it's about, I think, £500 to rebuild it. And if it's fully gone, which my one was, then you give your old unit, and they'll actually take your old unit and swap it for one that they've refurbished already, but take the information from yours and upload it to that one. And that's what they'd done, and that cost me £1,500. So yeah, that was very nice to get that bill. These went out about 6 months after installing, so the reverse lights don't work any longer. But yeah, that's something you got to consider as well. And there's no lights on the dash to say that they're not working. A family member actually told me, your reverse lights aren't working, by the way, and that's how I found out. So be careful on that as well. Anything else that's gone wrong? Well, the seals have obviously gone on mine. It hadn't even been a year and it was leaking water into the boot, so just keep an eye on that. And obviously the reverse lights, I think those are connected anyway, because water must have seeped in, took those out, and then started leaking in so much that my amplifier was actually swimming.